Hi everyone, my name is Gokul and today I'm going to show you how to save any web page as a PDF. So let's get started. First, open up your browser and go to the web page you want to save as a PDF. If you're using a Chromium-based browser such as Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Opera, Vivaldi or Brave, right-click on a blank area of the page and select Print. This will open up the print window. In the print window, change the destination to save as PDF. You can also use this Pages option to select which part of the web page you want to save as a PDF. And this layout option allows you to choose between landscape or portrait orientation for your PDF. If you click on the More Settings option, you will see additional options for customizing your PDF. For example, this Margins option allows you to adjust the margins by selecting from the predefined options or entering custom values. And using the Scale option, you can scale the content of the page by entering a number between 10 and 200. This Headers and Footers option allows you to include or exclude information such as date, page title, URL, and page numbers in your PDF. Also, you can choose to include or exclude background graphics and images by checking or unchecking this background graphics option. And with these options, you can also select the number of pages per sheet and choose the paper size for your PDF. Once you have made your selections, click on the Save button. You will be prompted to choose a location to save the file and give it a name. After you have done that, click on this Save button. That's it. If you are using Mozilla Firefox, right-clicking and selecting the print option doesn't work. Instead, click on this menu button in the top right corner of the browser window and select Print. This will open up the print window. From there, you can follow the same steps I mentioned earlier to save the web page as a PDF. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.